In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hopefully resolve if Google Chrome is experiencing high CPU or memory usage on your MacBook device. So Google Chrome is not the latest web browser you can find. Most browsers are based on Chromium though, so they're usually pretty similar in usage. The biggest thing you can do is upgrade your hardware or use less tabs. Like if you have a lot of tabs or windows open, that can certainly be using a lot of memory consumption. I recommend checking down the dock and making sure you don't have a bunch of windows open that you're not using and just closing out of them. You may also want to select a menu icon up at the top right and then go and select where it says extensions and then select manage extensions. If you have a lot of extensions listed here, you may just want to toggle them to the off position just to turn them off and see if any extensions that are really slowing down your productivity on your browser. So that's just something I'd recommend taking a look at. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.